So here's a second video, follow-up to the Honda Goldwing that we just purchased a few days ago. And I've taken the starter out to discover what's wrong with it. And what I'm noticing is that the starter may not be the issue. Let's just take a look in here because nobody's ever actually shown what's in this part of the bike. So when you take the starter out, the starter sits into this this hole here, and the starter itself has a male or splines which go into the into that part of the engine, and when the motor turns over, that turns the sprocket inside, which in turn rotates a chain and starts the motor by way of a clutch, apparently, and the clutch kind of turns around. Now, what I'm able to do here is turn this thing freely, and I'm also turning all of the whole chain is turning as well, and that's not, it shouldn't be doing that, or at least I don't think so. So I'm a little concerned at this point. I'm wondering why this is happening. I'm gonna have to do a little more research, but as far as I can tell, with the limited knowledge that I have, if the starter's turning this thing but the engine is not turning over, either something's not turning properly or the starter clutch has gone bad and needs to be taken out, which involves taking out the entire engine. And that's not a project I was hoping to get involved in this winter, but so be it if that's what we got to do. You know, while you got the engine out, you might as well change timing belts, adjust valves, do all kinds of, you know, required maintenance while it's out. It's a lot easier to clean your carbs and all that stuff while you got the engine out. So, you know, if we have to do it, we will. And just take our time and do it slowly. So that's what I've determined is happening. I've connected the starter to a battery, and here, let's just take a look at what happens when I put the positive side of the cable to the battery. Oh, that's got some torque to it. Really got torque. So that's actually turning. I want to see this. I want to see if that's turning clockwise or counterclockwise, because maybe I'm just wondering if there's any reason that maybe it's turning the wrong way. Is that a possibility, or am I just dreaming? Am I just hoping that something will be all right and I don't have to take the engine out? Let's take a look at this. Oh, I guess I got that wrong, huh? Hold on. Connect that properly. Look at this thing. Yeah, it's turning counterclockwise. And that's how I'm able to, that's why this thing is also no, that's not right. Counterclockwise. If it's turning counterclockwise, why is it not turning the engine over? Isn't that funny? Is it supposed to turn counterclockwise or clockwise? Like, am I turning the chain right now? Weird. Anyway, that's just initial findings, and I'm gonna have to do a little more research into this problem, because if I need to take the engine out, it won't be fun, but if we got to do it, we will. So that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next video.